Let's take a closer look at the diagnostic criteria according to the DSM-5. DSM-5 being the Diagnostic and Statistical Manual of Mental Disorders, which is basically the rule book from the American Psychiatric Association. The criteria for autism is persistent deficits in social communication and social interaction, deficits in social emotional reciprocity, in nonverbal communicative behaviours, in developing, maintaining and understanding relationships. Coupled with that, there is restricted repetitive patterns of behaviour, interests or activities, stereotyped or repetitive movements, insistence on sameness, inflexible adherence to routines, highly restricted fixated interests and extreme reactivity to sensory input. This is a medical model of autism. It seeks to identify a set of externally observable behaviours that correspond to a clinical level of impairment in various areas. To understand autism properly, we also need to learn about the human side of autism, what it looks like in real life for a real person. For more information, see one of the 4 videos I've linked below, or visit autismexplained.com.au.